What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video of TechExpress. I'm going to be showing you how to create a website totally for free using WordPress and some artificial intelligence technology. So the process is actually not that hard. It's really easy and we barely need to do a lot of stuff. So first of all, sign into your WordPress, create your website, create your account totally for free. As you can see, I'm already in here into my sites. And I have a website already been created, so I can go into switch site and add a new site. So I'm going to go directly totally from scratch. So into choose a domain, let's say that I wanted to create like a blog of alternative rock music. So let's go for honest rock blogs. So something really easy, honest rock blogs. So I have the honest blog and we have the price free for the first year. If you want to check it out, that deal, click into select. In our case, we just want to stick around with the free version of WordPress, which is actually this one. So hit into select. Now choose your flavor of WordPress. Once again, we want to focus only into your free version. So I'm going to focus here, start with free. And there we go. So now what I want to do is to start by customizing my goals. Let's say that I wanted to write and published only. This is the part where the actual artificial intelligence comes with. There's two ways that we can do this. We can use an external artificial intelligence bot that can be helping us to get started, or we can do it directly from WordPress. So how we can do this directly from WordPress? If I go into the Plus version, we have the blog section. And if I scroll all the way down, you might see that we have an artificial intelligence assistant experimental. So this one is going to be helping us to generate and modify content powered by the artificial intelligence. So this is totally experimental, so you don't need to be disappointed if something goes wrong, but this is totally going to be really helpful. So let's go into choose an artificial assistant. Now here into write with artificial assistant, let's go with add. Let's go first design of my page of my blog about alternative music, rock music. I hit into send. And here is a first design for my blog about alternative music. We have the introduction. Alternative rock is a genre of music that has been around since blah blah blah. So this is the origins, the design overview, the navigation and the layout. So the artificial intelligence of WordPress is going to be doing everything for ourselves by itself. So we don't have to do absolutely anything. This is the reason why I told you that we barely needed to do anything here. So if you liked it, you just hit into accept. Maybe what we can do is to add a few images, a few links, a few videos. So I'm going to click into comma, add a few images and links to some popular music, alternative music. Once again, here's the first design from your blog about alternative rock music. So you have the introduction, you have the design overview, the navigations and the layout. So it's not looking that bad actually. So I think that I can stick around with the latest version. So just hit into stopped if you're interested in that, hit into accept, and you're actually good to go. So as you can see, this the second option here that was generated for WordPress is that actually these are like a few instructions, not the elements that we have just created directly before. So I'm gonna delete this actually, and I'm gonna use the next tool that can be helping me to let's say do exactly the same thing, and that would be ChatGPT. So here into ChatGPT, this is totally for free to use. You can use Microsoft Bing if you wanted to. So here into ChatGPT, I wanted to do exactly the same thing, but I wanted to have like a template that I can use to customize into WordPress. So let's go into where it says send a message. I click into create or give me. Let's go for give me a HTML file template for my blog of WordPress. Just input blog. You don't want to input WordPress or Wix, whatever. Just go for my blog that is about alternative music. So as you can see, this is a template that we're going to be using, of course. So ChatGPT says here's a basic HTML template for your blog, It includes a header, main content section, and a few images and YouTube linked examples. So now that I paste my code, I hit into preview, and there we go. So now I'm going to hit into saved a draft. Now that I have successfully done this, I'm going to convert this into blocks, or actually I'm going to just leave this like that. And I'm going to hit now into, let's say for example, this HTML, and instead of going and choose these links, I'm going to go into the upper side actually, and these links, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to paste that in here. Now here, let's go and delete this one, and let's go for here. Here are some videos about the best alternative music so far, and I believe that now this might be working actually. So I'm gonna hit now into publish once again, and hit into view your post, so you can see how it's going to be looking at the end of the day, your actual post of Google. So if you check it out here, this is like a few ideas of what I can do using the actual site of WordPress. So I believe like the best and the most easiest way to get started with in here is to use the artificial intelligence main ideas of the actual WordPress. So you don't have to deal with a lot of let's say with a lot of HTML files, codes and all that. Just go directly into how you can do that. And let's go for create an intro that is let's go create an intro for my blog about alternative music. Hit into send, and boom. So you just need to delete or edit the elements that you don't want to see into your website. You can add more stuff, and you can get more advanced as you are creating more stuff. So this is like how we can get started here into the WordPress. As you can see, it's really easy to get started in here. So just delete the part that you can use, for example here, insert linked for YouTube video here. So I click here, I delete this element, and I paste the URL that we have just automatically created. Or I can delete this element, I hit into, let's say for example, the enter mark 3 times, and here and go into the plus, and I can add a custom YouTube video. I paste, I embeamed, and there we go. So there's no more and no less. So in here, alternative rock in the 2023, published in preview. Boom, everything done with our artificial intelligence and with our bare hands. We didn't do like a lot, but this is what we are doing with the artificial intelligence of WordPress. So hopefully guys, this was a very useful information for you. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tools of how we can get started here into WordPress. Thank you once again for watching the video guys, and hopefully I can see you next time.